Brian Duggan, BJ Constructions. We're back at the Runaway Bay job. Since you saw it last, we've had the painter in to paint the outside and everything like that, so we've got all the messy stuff out of the way, the plastering, the rendering, had the electrician in, cut the holes for the lights inside, and we've got the concreters. There's Lester over there. Lester the best of the concreting on the Gold Coast, and he's just getting it ready now. They're doing the preparations for the concrete, so they've just put all the fill in and compacted it. The soils engineer out here, and he's checked it all over. So we've got to put the driveway's got to go in to council regulations. This is the first crossover, I mean, this bit here, it goes into council regs. So we've got to notify council before we pour next week. I think it's Monday if the weather holds, and get council out. They'll check this part, this front part here, for the actual crossover from the road. And once they've checked it, then we get our engineer out here, and he'll check the actual driveway itself up here into the carport. So you can see how the boys have filled it and been compacted. Now these trenches you can see here are concrete beams that go through here. So the boys at the moment, they put this black plastic down over the tops to stop all the moisture and the movement and stuff. This one over here is a bit of a cage there, the made up steel cage in this one here that goes through. So it's going to go all the way to the top. Now once I get the plastic down, I'll put the steel in, and then when that goes in, I'll put a series of chairs over the top with this mesh on the top of it. So you can see this one down here. Now this one's right next to the existing garage, so we've exposed the side of the garage and we've gone right down to the bottom. You see the concrete footing, so our slab will sit on the actual concrete of the old, gives it more stability, it won't move. So there you go, the boys waiting on a roll of plastic out there. Can't stop the workers, can we, Lester?
No, can't stop.
No?
Keep rolling, man.
You keep rolling. So you can see up here the painter's been up here and he's finished the coats on the ceiling. It's brought it up really nice. The electrician's been, he's cut the holes in there for the downlights. So that's all come up really well. He's painted the outside. They wouldn't know there were steel beams inside there now. The boys have covered those up and it looks really well. So it's all getting there. So I'll have a look at it a bit later. Probably have another shot of it on Monday and just see before they do the concrete. And we'll have a look at them while they're pouring it, give you an idea of it. So this is the stage we're up to, and for now it's Brian signing out, and we'll catch you probably Monday. Have a good weekend.